Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Trish at Creative Minds Creations, and I'm going to be showing you a project share that I made for a swap on SwapBot. Okay, now I'm going to make another video about the site because I just got back into it, and it's surprising to me that a lot of people still don't know about it. When I used to swap like 5-6 years ago on Swap, I haven't gone back to swapping until recently, but I mean I used to swap it all the time eons ago. So like I said, I'll make a video about that, you know, about the site, because I went back and I got my group and I already hosting one swap that's going on right now. But anyway, I'm going to get on to the share that I have for you. But anyway, so the share that I'm in, apparently they don't keep with the times either, because somebody just posted a swap. They said they seem Scrap the World's one of Scrap the World's, which Tamika's videos about loaded envelopes, and it was like she said it like she never heard of it before, and like it's new crazy, honey. Loaded envelopes has been a thing for a while now. You're behind, but anyway, just like a lot of people that I know are behind about SwapBot. But anyway, so what I did is I did another loaded easel envelope. Now they posted videos on how to make the loaded envelopes, and not one of the videos was of this. And when I make loaded envelopes now, I tend to make the kind that have an easel now. And again, I got this tutorial from Kim Reynolds, and her YouTube channel is Kan't Stop Krafting, and I'll link her video to how to make this loaded envelopes easel in the video in the description below. So anyway, I used this style envelope to send to my partner. I used pink cardstock, and I used, let me see, where's the paper stack? It's for the Paper Studio, and I got it a while, well, not too long ago. I think it was in a haul that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it was on clearance for, I think, $4.99, something like that. I tore off the clearance sticker, but it was pretty cheap, and I got it. And it was only one left, and it's just paper, it's not cardstock, but it was really cute. And I got it because I wanted to make some 6x6 paper stacks, which will be another video that I'll be showing probably later this week as well, because I'm still making those. I got 4 there, but I haven't bound them together. But anyway, so I think when I ready to do that, I'll do that on film. But anyway, this is the paper stack that I use, and it is called The Best Day Ever by the Paper Studio, and it has 80 sheets, 20 designs, and 4 sheets each. Okay, so again, back to my easel, and I've got to put some, I brought it back out here because I took that out before. Okay, now first what I'm going to show you is going to go in this little pocket in the back right here. Is the new craze that's going on is the embellishment box. Now I already have this one. It was like for a picture hanging thing, little kit and everything, with little hooks and nails and the little wire and everything. So I just took everything out of it, and it was like a little thing you hang on, and I cut that off. You can see that right there. So I cut it off. But this is the little box that I made, and this is a cut apart, or not a cut apart, but a piece from the scrap paper, the other stack that I used. So I put that on there, and I only put some washi tape all the way around the edge, and a little piece across there. I used a little hair tie. I got a lot of these that I got at Dollar Tree, and I put that on there to keep it, you know, cover the clothes. I mean, it still take clothes, but I think it bulges a little bit on the sides, and I've seen people where they, you know, put something around to keep it, you know, more secure. But anyway, so I put that on there, and this is what I put in this little mini embellishment box. So it's like little buttons in there. Here, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so I put little buttons in here. I just grab buttons and put them in there. Some tiny clothespins. I had other side, but they wouldn't fit, and that's on, you know, a few little tiny small clothespins that I have. So I put like 4 of those in there. Like I said, I had 3 ones, but they wouldn't fit. So put those in there. I put in some binder clips. I had a whole bunch of them. And back here I put different kinds of little brads, like stars, hearts, some Some are just the plain circles and flowers. They are different colors. So that's like full of brads. And this one is like charms. They're like metal charms and one plastic one. So they like just like little metal charms. Let's see. So that's all the charms I put in there. And this is this one I put in a lot of the this is the bigger compartment. I put a lot of acrylic gems in there. And then I have this, and I just cut that in half. It was like that, and I cut it and put that in there. So because I remember my partner's profile on SwapBot, and she likes anything that's embellishments or whatever. So I, brads, buttons and stuff like that. So this is perfect. I did that for her. I'm going to be starting a swap for embellishment box later too. There's a lot of swaps going on with that, and I'm going to be starting one here. I mean, not here on YouTube, but on SwapBot, because I never did a video, or I mean a swap on YouTube. It was either Facebook or SwapBot. So that goes in here. This part, right? Okay. Now the only requirements that we had to make for this other than make loaded envelope, was they had to have a tag and an embellishment. Okay, so that's all goes in the department. So I'm going to show you that first of the requirements, other than the loaded envelope itself. My embellishment is a altered clothespin, and this is some of the paper again from the paper stack. Used some scraps I had left over from a few pieces. So that's just a regular just flour, and some baker's twine and some bling right there, and I put that there. I'm going to go ahead and take this out, show the rest of it, something else in there. And this is the front of it. This is the accordion. And the paper there, I put some lace here and put bling over that. And then on the back, I'm just going to take everything out and then show you everything that goes in there. And this is the back, again with lace and bling. So that's that. And you're already seeing the little tiny embellishment box. Okay, so this is one of the things that's going into the envelope. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. I hope I was in camera when I saw all that. Let me zoom back out. Okay, sorry. So again, this is the front, and that's the back. Okay, now open this back up. Okay. Oh, we also had to make a tag too. The other requirements was a tag. So I made this shaker tag. I used my fuse tool. Well, not a fuse tool, it's my wood, but I used a fuse tip that I bought separately. And I made a little shaker tag. And again, that's from the paper. It's not double-sided, but I had 2 scraps, so I just put that on the back and, use some score tape to glue those 2 pieces together. So that's the tag that's also required. We had to make, other than the alter paper clip. Let me show you that again, because I'm not sure if y'all seen it the first time. I wasn't paying attention if I was in camera. But that's the embellishment that we had to make, or the requirement. I'm also putting some ribbon in there. That's going to go right there. And I got this. I'm going to put that in there. I've loaded up and loaded a lot of these a long time ago, and sometimes I put these in swaps. I actually got a bin that I put stuff in just for, goodies and swaps. And that's that. Okay, in the front, let me see. My partner also said that she likes envelopes. So again, with some of the scraps that I had, a little bigger than a 6.5. They weren't quite 7, so it was like 7 3/4, something like that, or smaller. So I made 3 envelopes. Again, from the scraps that I had left over. She likes envelopes, so I made these. And those going to go in the front. Those are the last things I made, because I tried to do everything small first, and then with the bigger pieces that I had left, that's what I used that for. These are some envelopes that I used for my 6-inch die. It's one of those big 6-inch dies. I cut some envelopes, and those go in the front. I also cut some, I'm going to go ahead and take these out and show them to you. I had problems closing it back. I just used some washi tape to close that. Chelsea says she likes Project Life cards, but these aren't really project because this from the paper stack. These are cutter parts from the paper stack. One sheet that I took out and put in there. And then for some, I grabbed some cardstock scraps and cut some tags on another one of my scissors dies, and that's some from the paper. And I just put all of the, and I use my quarter punch to punch those so they look like Project Life cards. So put those back in there. Ugh. Okay, I'll close those up later. And that goes in front. Then in the back, this goes in the back. Also, I got some other die cuts. I cut these a long time ago on my Cricut Explorer when I first got it. I had learned how to make my own bubble words, and I still have I have a lot of them cut. So this, like Bubba says, TMI. I gotta show you these because these are so cute. I have a lot of them cut, so I just gave her some of these and all in different colors. LOL. This is IDK, as I don't know. And OMG. Now, if anybody wants, there's a tutorial how to make these, but if anybody wants to know how I made these, I can make a tutorial for them. And like I said, I did it on my Cricut Explorer. TTYL, talk to you later. And ROTF, LMBO, rolling the floor, laughing my butt off. So I gave her some of those, because she also said she liked die cuts. So I went through my die cuts and pulled out those. Get those back in the package. And I got these from Michael's. These are metal flower charms. Let's go in there. I gotta put them back on there. These are some die cuts that were gifted to me in another, so I can't remember who gave them to me, but I got these from a swap. And these are little birds. Takes like 4 of them in there. So I'm gonna give her those. I'm not a bird person, so I'm just gonna pass those on. And then I went through some of my I think they're Recollections flowers, because I got them from Tuesday mornings. It was in all the little jars, and I just gave her a collection of little flowers. And those go in there. And I also made a sample washi tape. Okay, now I had some leftover what is it? What was it? Laminating sheets that I used for another washi tape swap diamonds. I already sent those off. And I think I probably made a video on those. I think I mentioned another video. I don't know. But anyway, this was like a little strip of that I cut off. So that's the thing, guys. If y'all do laminating and then you have pieces that are, you know, this big, you can use them for wrapping washi tape samples around. So I wrapped as much washi tape that would fit on there. So that's the washi tape sample that I put on there. And I think this goes in the front. And so that is my swap for the loaded envelope on Cut Out and Keep. Now, like I said, I will be making a video about, not Cut Out and Keep, that's another site that I used to swap on. I went from Cut Out and Keep to SwapBot to Facebook. I can't remember why I stopped swapping on well, I know why I stopped swapping on Facebook. I mean on SwapBot, because there was no swap that there was any interest to me. Like, I don't want to do that. So anyway, and then I don't know. I did, you know, I was intending to go back, but I didn't think it would take me 6 years to go back. But anyway, so this is my swap for the loaded envelope that I'm sending to my partner. I hope she likes it. I think she said she was new at crafting, so this probably be. I'll have to call my daughter back in a minute. But anyway, so there you go, guys. My swap for a loaded envelope on SwapBot. I hope my partner likes it, and hope you like it too. Thanks for watching. Bye.